Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Just want to let you know that the special for Happy Summer is running out. Basically, go to my page, zozostockwatch.com, and you'll click on the monthly subscription. Usually for new users, it's $44.95, but for the summer, and the summer is coming to an end, click on where it says sign up now. So what I want you to do is go to my site, click on where it says coupon code right here, click on that, and I want you to type in happy summer, one word. All right, hit apply coupon. And instead of having to pay $44.95 for the 1 month, you'll pay $19.95. Now, this is for new users only, okay, for zozostockwatch.com. So we're having this for the end of the summer. $19.95 gets you a whole month to come in and check out our room, our service, and I think you'll like it. Right now, you're looking at screen share with trade ideas. We keep different scans up throughout the day. I keep my charts up throughout the day. We call our alerts in the room and over the microphone. Today, we traded Baba, we traded Apple, we traded PTIE. Check my Twitter feed and you can see the calls there. All right, I'm Zozo at Zozo Stockwatch on Twitter. Here is my Twitter feed. All right, as you can see, we called PTIE over $1.60 today. We called Apple over 209.25, and we also called Baba over 168.65. Stock is moving up further in the after hours, hitting 169.90 currently. Hope we get that break of 170. So this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Happy summer. Summer is coming to an end. All right, but you can get a month's worth of Zozo Stock Watch for $19.95. One word, happy summer. Put it in the coupon code at zozostockwatch.com. The links will be in the description box down below. Thanks very much for listening. Have a great rest of your evening. Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is your stock watch list and market talk for Thursday, the 16th of August. Let's get into it, courtesy of the Trade Exchange. After hours tonight, we had some earnings come out from NTAP and Cisco. Let's check out NTAP first off. NTAP moving down. Earnings per share and revenue beat on NTAP. Cisco came out with earnings after the bell tonight. Stock is making a nice strong move in the after hours. Earnings per share beat by 1 cent. Revenue beat on Cisco. HTGM Diagnostics fulfills first orders of its next generation sequencing based HTG edge sequence precision immuno-oncology panel. So a lot of verbiage there. HTGM moving up a little bit in the after hours, has that 350 number up ahead to beat on HTGM. So that stock is moving up. Let's see. Best Buy had some news. Best Buy acquires Great Call, a leading connected health service provider. That's on Best Buy. Cisco earnings guidance here per share, so they guide up on earnings per share for Cisco. Stamp had some news in the after hours tonight. ILMN to offer 650 million convertible senior notes. That came out after hours tonight. Top earnings for tomorrow morning. We have Walmart coming out tomorrow morning before the bell. We also have JD.com. JC Penney's will be reporting earnings before the bell tomorrow morning. VBLT and ZX also reporting earnings prior to the bell tomorrow morning. Let's go ahead and we'll take a look at some of the markets. So we were down about 350 points on the Dow. We did get a bounce back, but we end up down the day 137, 138 points on the Dow. The Dow did hold above the 25,000 spot on the Dow. The Nasdaq Composite was down 97 points for the day. The S&P 500 down about 22 points for the day. We had oil take a hit today. Oil, XOIL. The light sweet crude oil was down over 3% today. USO was down over 3% today, almost 3.5% on oil. So oil stocks took it on the chin today. Retail stocks were down 3% for the day. The miners, metals and mining took a hit today, down 4%. Copper was nasty today. The OIH was also down over 4% for today. So with the dollar moving up, that hurt oil, and gold was just down a lot today. Gold taking a hit today. Also, a lot of the metals and mining stocks like NEM dropping hard today. So gold stocks dropping. Let's check out a silver stock, WPM. Yeah, that stock was down also today as the dollar was moving up. This is the ETF for the dollar. Dollar showing strength today, and that was pushing a lot of the commodities down. Also with oil, the EIA numbers came out at 10:30 this morning, and it was a build instead of a draw, so that drove oil down even further. They were expecting a drawdown in oil, especially during the summer driving months, and just not happening. So there's still a lot of oil out there on the market slushing around, and so oil came down pretty hard today. Macy's was the culprit in the retailer. Macy's down almost 16% for the day on Macy's. That stock hurting the retail stocks. Now, like I said, you have Walmart coming out with earnings for tomorrow. So maybe Walmart can be the savior for the retailers and bounce them back. So we'll have to see what they have to say on their earnings report for tomorrow. CMG was very strong today. They got an upgrade and a price target increase. So this stock was up over almost 7% for the day on CMG. A big move up there. LUV had a nice day. The airlines with oil moving down. LUV. Warren Buffett also coming out saying that he has a bigger position in Southwest Airlines, so that stock moving up today. HSY also moved up today. The stock was up almost 2% on the day. And once again, Cisco closing out the after hours tonight, trading up in the after hours. Let's take a look. The futures, it's about 12 minutes after 6 my time. The futures currently on the Dow futures were down about 18, S&P futures down about 2, NASDAQ futures down about 5, 6 points on the futures there for the overnight session. We'll take a look at the SPY. Well, if one thing we did get in the SPY today, and that was some volume showing up. It's been summer doldrums. Day trades are still out there. Swing trading is a little bit tough right now. But intraday trading in the morning has been very good. We've been trading some of the small caps, and mostly today we traded the large caps. We traded Baba today. We had a nice move in Baba. We traded Apple today. Our first trade out of the gate was Facebook today, and then we traded PTIE. That stock moved up nicely today. We got in PTIE at over $1.60 on. All right, so we got in PTIE over this 160. Now, we did trade this twice today. I tried it here. We called it here over $1.60. It popped up to about $1.65. Then it came back at us. So we got back out. Basically took like, I think it was about a 6-cent loss on PTIE. Then it cleared $1.60 again. We got in it, and we got a beautiful run in PTIE. Now, this was an easy one to spot because at the time the market was moving down, and this had relative strength. As you can see, it was popping on the open, then consolidated a bit, was holding above VWAP, holding above the 28 EMA, and then the beautiful move up on PTIE. All right, let's get into that watch list for tomorrow. So we'll start out with ARQL. All right, so ARQL needs to get back over $6. The high today on ARQL was 612, so maybe over 610, 605 area. We'll watch it intraday. It's been holding up pretty well. AWX, I'm still going to have this one on watch. We're holding above the 50 SMA. Yesterday, we got a trade on this on the break of $4, so I'll be watching this again for tomorrow. It doesn't hurt to have it on a chart. Baba, full disclosure, we're already in this one, but we'll be watching this one again on Baba. Baba, we got in on the break of 168.60 here, right here, and it's trailing up in the after hours on Baba, so a nice trade there. BOXL, a nice turn up here, volume just under 800,000 shares on BOXL. Couldn't get above and hold above, I should say, couldn't hold above that $5 level on BOXL, but we'll have that one on watch. BSX had unusual call activity, very strong stock on a day like today, 16 million shares, call activity. Unconfirmed chatter around this name also. CGX, the big move with Constellation Brands taking a stake in CGC. So we'll have this on watch again for tomorrow. Crone, we traded this one in the pre-market on the break of $6. We got a nice move in CRON this morning. So that did well for us. DAL, watching this one for the break of the highs here. The high of the day was 55.55. So I'll have this one on watch for maybe an intraday play that could possibly lead into a swing trade in a good way. So if we get a day trade and we get enough cushion in it, it could lead to holding it overnight. So that'll be on watch. EKSO, they popped it up here up to about 325. We'll see. Maybe if there's a pullback tomorrow on EKSO. This ERI, big volume came in on this one. Resorts and Casino Eldorado Holdings Company. Big pop-up, has that $46 area up ahead. I'll have that one on watch. GNMX will be on watch. 5.5 million shares, biotech name. Now here, all right, now we've had quite a pullback on HEAR. So I'm going to be watching this one. We're coming down to about that 50 SMA on HEAR, so I'll keep this one on watch. Maybe it wants to give us a bounce. HTGM, they had some news after hours tonight, so I'll be watching this HTGM for tomorrow. IDRA, a big tier one company, I believe it was JP Morgan, came out with a $15 price target on this. They pulled it back, kind of an inverted hammer here, right here around the 50 SMA. So I'll have this on watch, 2.5 million shares. Maybe it needs to consolidate a bit above this $8 level, so but I'll have it on watch. LUV will be on watch again for tomorrow. The marijuana ETF will be up on watch for tomorrow. Nice pop in this one. Would like to see a little more volume come into this MJ. This is the Alternative Harvest, the ETF, a pot ETF. MNST, Monster, holding up pretty well. Has that $62 number up ahead. NEPT had a decent day today, 2.5 million shares. As you can see, it can make some nice moves. We traded this back here once before, so I'll be watching NEPT. The high of day on this was $3.13, and that doesn't mean I'm going to automatically trade it at $3.13. We'll watch it on an intraday basis, see if we can get up over VWAP or get a nice move set up in NEPT, so that'll be on watch. PTIE will be on watch again. Look at this huge volume that came in on PTIE. We traded that today, so I'll be watching that again. Sono, this was priced at $15 when it came out, so it's holding above its price of $15, so we'll have this on watch on SONO. TIS also will be on watch. TIS has that $3 number up ahead. Now the high on this today was 283. We closed at 266, so we held most of the gains here on TIS, so it'll be on a chart for intraday trade. TLRY, a recent IPO, also a pot stock. We'll have this one on watch. Has that $30 number up ahead. Now this one can be very spready intraday, so you have to play it with light shares on that one. TNXP popped up today, 3.1 million shares. Don't like this candle though. Popped up, gave most of the gains back, but is holding up above $1, so it doesn't hurt to have it on a chart. Not a favorite on that one. Well, if the market decides to continue to pull back, we'll be watching TIVX for tomorrow, volatility play. Also, we'll be watching the inverse of the IWM, TZA. That will be on watch for tomorrow. UVXY will also be on watch. Similar to TIVX, just a lower priced instrument. Play. This is a play on volatility. So if the market pulls back again for tomorrow, we'll be watching this UVXY. Lastly, a China stock, Rapid Fire. I believe they had earnings this morning before the bell. About over 500,000 shares came into this name. It stalled out at the 50 SMA, which is at 223. We have that 225 number up ahead. So we'll see if this one wants to give us an intraday trade. Not a lot of super volume in this thing, but it is trying to turn the corner here after being beaten down. So XRF is another name that we'll be watching. All right, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Don't forget, I am running a summer special. If you'd like to try my service for a month for $19.95, the coupon code is Happy Summer. One word, Happy Summer coupon code. And I'll have all the information down in the description box for you. Have a great night. This is Mike. I'll be back at it again tomorrow.